When your hormones fall out of balance, everything in your life can feel off. Energy, mood, sleep, weight, focus, even your overall sense of well-being. At Patients Medical, we use Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, or BHRT, natural plant-derived hormones that match the molecular structure of the hormones your body already makes. BHRT helps gently restore balance. Because these hormones are biologically identical, your body recognizes them and uses them more effectively, leading to smoother, more natural results. It's an option for women facing menopause or perimenopause, and for men experiencing low testosterone or andropause. Many Patients Medical members report better sleep, increased energy, improved libido, better metabolism, sharper focus, and a renewed sense of vitality. Our team performs a full medical evaluation, hormone testing, advanced diagnostics, and in-depth consultations to create a safe, tailored program just for you. Treatments may include creams, gels, pills, pellets, or injection therapy. Each plan is personalized and monitored closely by your patient's medical specialist. Our BHRT specialists don't treat illnesses, they treat you. We listen, understand your concerns, and customize your treatment to address the root cause. Book your BHRT consultation in NYC. Call 212-794-8800. Tailored solutions for your unique bioidentical hormone treatment. Our bioidentical hormone specialists focus on individuals, not just illnesses. By actively listening and understanding your concerns, we create personalized treatment plans that address the root cause of your condition.